Hi everyone, this is the unboxing review of the Tory Burch bag in the Monogram mini tote. So I just got it today and let's see how it looks. Ta-da! This is so cute. This one is in navy. There are other two colors, which is the hazelnut and the hazelnut red. I choose navy because it suits my dressing style the most, so I actually like wear jeans and either t-shirt or a shirt. This is the crossbody bag, so it comes with a strap. Which is removable. So it has the gold hardware. I like it because it is not that kind of like shiny gold hardware, but it's some kind of like it is more dark, and it actually like suit day dressing style. And inside the bag it has the magnet here, so you can close it, and with the yellow velvet texture inside, and one compartment so that you can put on your card here. And let's see the strap. So it comes with 7 holes to fit your height. I am around like 6'2" or 6'3" or 162, and I used the shortest strap, and the bag landed just perfectly on my hips. So I'm going to put the strap on. And of course, if you don't like to wear it as a crossbody bag, you can just carry along like this, or on your wrist like this. Dimension of this bag: the height is 7.4, the width is 6.4, and here is 2.6. So if you use the phone like up to iPhone 12 Pro Max or the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, there's no problem to place it inside this bag. And let's see what else fits in this bag. So I usually like using this kind of small wallet. It's actually like more of like the card case, and with the zippers you can put your coins and also the banknote as well. I'm gonna put it here. Still like more space. Alcohol spray, my sunglasses, okay, and car key, the ear plug, here I can actually put my phone inside as well, but I'm using it as a video recorder. And it's not heavy at all. I would say the bag is really light in weight, so if you carry on so much stuff, so it won't weigh too much. And next I will put the video clip on how it looks like when I'm wearing it. Thank you for watching everyone.